Hallo, mein Name ist Matthias Wiesoler.
Hello, my name is Matthias Wiesoler, and I am a sales manager at Heidenheim. I'm your contact person when it comes to digital solutions for your production department. Do you sometimes ask yourself whether production jobs are currently being run, or whether there might be problems with your machines that need to be solved immediately? No problem. The StateMonitor software from Heidenheim generates transparency in your production. So let's take a look at the software.
Kurz in die Software. Bereits auf den ersten Blick
We immediately see that we have a clear overview of all machines in the factory and their operating conditions.
und können dadurch
We can then make decisions individually about whether more specific information is necessary. Simply click the respective machine and we can already see the necessary information.
notwendigen Informationen, beispielsweise
For example, the potentiometer or override settings, or about programs or tools. Information about signals is also provided, such as the temperature data. Furthermore, we have a detailed overview about the respective programs and their current conditions. This lets us derive any potential for optimization.
davon ableiten. Sie sind unterwegs.
You're not in the office but still want to stay informed? No problem. With the messenger function from StateMonitor, you can stay informed about the current production processes at all times. The new version of StateMonitor naturally brings us some innovations. One example is the focus interface, which makes connections to FNUC controls possible,
ermöglicht und zudem die
or also the tool difference list, which is a program-specific evaluation of tool data that serves to optimize the setup process. So please get in touch with us if you have any further questions. We'll be glad to advise you.